Gates open, they're up and racing Fisher Champ. Pangani Boy, Loretta is by the rail. Then comes Perhaps Love by the rail, Thunderbird. Next in line, Tara Let's Wolf Run alongside. In between runners is Winner's Lane and trailing the group is Typhoon Doding. As they pass the last 900, Loretta, the leader by half length. By the rail is Thunderbird. Pangani Boy racing in third. Running by the rail fourth, Perhaps Love. Then racing in fifth, Winner's Lane. Fisher Champ once again on the outside. And comes Tara Let's as they round to the last 600. Thunderbird moving up on the outside is Fisher Champ. In between runners, Perhaps Love, Loretta dropping back in fourth. Tara Let's joining them as they race to the last final 450. We have Fisher Champ leading the field. Thunderbird running by the rail second. And on the outside is Tara Let's. Fisher Champ, Thunderbird running in second by the rail. Fisher Champ, Thunderbird. Fisher Champ, Thunderbird. And on the outside is Tara Let's. And with the last 50 meters, Fisher Champ over Thunderbird, and finally Fisher Champ, Thunderbird, Tara Let's, Perhaps Love, and Pangani Boy. Your Pentapecta.
Segundo llamada.